PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Remember to serve short balls. Serve short balls with less forward motion. Serve short balls a bit more to the side. You see? It will naturally be shorter. For example, let's take a 45-degree angle. If I want to serve short balls, remember, I should aim more towards the net post. If I want to serve long balls, aim more towards the other side of the net post. Look at me serving long ones. Am I aiming towards the side of the net post? If I serve short ones, aim a bit more towards your position. He definitely won't return it. Clearly, I'll use the net post as a reference. Look at me serving long ones. Direction with force. It has a chopping feeling. Look at the direction of force. Then, serve short ones. Are they all the same up until now? Look at me standing at the net post. It's very simple. If you want to serve long balls, the direction of force, it must be towards my body. If you want to serve short balls, the direction of force should lean to the left side of my body. Apply force towards here. If it's long, then what? If it's short or long, where's the difference? For high-end long balls, aim slightly lower and wait for it to drop as much as possible. You won't smash it. The ball won't bounce. Good, and that was a short serve. Apply force towards here. Apply force towards the left side of my body. It didn't come out on the table. That's close. It came out on this side. Everything is fine. Next, the contact point should be slightly higher. If you want to serve in that direction, your first bounce is basically at the midline of the table. Let me try both, alright? Is the backhand short corner touching the edge? If I want to serve towards the middle of the table, I'll try to aim for the midline between these two lines and the midline of the side edges. Can you see if it's like this? Is it in the middle of the table? I'll serve it here. Basically in the middle, slightly towards the backhand side. I'll serve it a bit towards this side. See? Is it slightly towards the forehand side? If I want to serve forehand short, try to aim towards this side. But should I still hit it with force like this? But I'll just lift the third jump and control the first bounce. Is the forehand short obvious? Look at where the second bounce lands. It's determined by the first bounce's landing point. Let me serve it again. Alright, let's start by looking at the backhand short corner first. Is the angle wide? Okay. Is the first bounce past the midline? Slightly towards the backhand side in the middle. Where is the first bounce? It's slightly towards the backhand at this position. Right, I want to serve towards the middle, slightly towards the forehand side. The first bounce. Is there a subtle difference now? Okay, forehand short. Where is it? Can you see it here? So, the landing point of the second bounce is determined by the landing point of the first bounce. The simplest way. Just covering. Just covering. Is it a dead ball? Serve to this side. Side top, side top. Bottom spin, look here. After serving, even if I make a big fake movement, he still goes for a side under. Why does the ball rub the bottom like this for me? Just side top, right on top spin. This one, side top, right. Look for the ball's exterior. Did you see that? It's on the exterior. He must be going for a side top. This one, bottom spin. Why? The moment of contact, I just covered. Right. I have a subtle blade shape. Just a simple change like this. This is a very heavy bottom spin. So subtle. You were originally standing upright, right? There's a slight covering at the moment of contact. Alright, let's go for a topspin. Side top spin. On the outer edge. Beautiful on the exterior. Isn't it simple? Isn't the exterior just a side top? Immediately, a flick to the side top on the exterior. A flick on the exterior. Is it a side top? Isn't it simple? If you want a side under, just flatten the racket. Find the bottom. After finishing at the bottom, flick again. You're done at the bottom. After covering the bottom, Just flick again. Among the long balls, the first one is side underspin. Underspin, right? The second one is side topspin. The third one. The fourth one is a lob. Half shovel, half push to push it out. Squeeze this ball out. This is different from side underspin. What is side underspin? It's pure friction. This is half shovel, half push. It used to be a weak underspin float over. Do you understand this? Then for the fifth one, you need to know how to hit something. What is this? There's a bit of arch in the half-out ball. This is called a hidden arch. Alright, slow on my side, fast on the other side. Okay, 5 done. After controlling with long balls here, you need to know how to hit a forehand short. Side topspin, side underspin. It's hard to distinguish side topspin. It's not easy to distinguish. Side underspin at the bottom, side topspin wrist. Oh right. These 2 points restrain each other. After serving well, where do you need to backhand short in the small triangle? Why? If he stands there, it's not easy to receive. That long ball is restraining. This is his blind spot of attention. So it's awkward, you see. Right by the edge. You can make him turn in, or deliberately make him jump out. It's hitting the edge, hitting the edge. Point towards this way. Yeah, and there's another way. Perfectly downwards, see. Yeah, and what's the other method? Look. Right down, see? Is this place awkward? If he can't come up, he's stuck. Right, it's not easy to go up. Why? His attention is all on the forehand short. He also needs to shift his weight to the left foot. Actually, it's not a reflex action. If it's not a reflex action, it adds difficulty for him. I personally think that for you as a hook player, this is a system, you see? It's not just about practicing with closed eyes. This is a side underspin. Didn't catch the edge. This is a side topspin. This is a side topspin. Side underspin. I think both of yours are side topspin. Why are you hitting the ball on the outer side? No matter how you hit in the middle, it should be a side topspin. If you serve with side spin, must hit the bottom of the outer side. Let me show you a serve, okay? What kind of spin is this? Although my racket angle is vertical when I push down, what did you do while I was serving? Look at my blade change. Look. What did I do? I slowed it down. Did you notice what I did? Caught the bottom. It's just that I'm faster at the moment of hitting. There's not enough time to rub it. So you don't feel it. Why do I always make fake moves after hitting the bottom? Is it like this? This one has no fake moves. This one has fake moves. Let me make the fake move faster, okay. Side underspin and side underspin. It comes up vertically. Contact with the ball found the bottom. After hitting the bottom, make a fake vertical move. Did you understand? Look closely at 2 or 3. Do you understand? What you're aiming for is the outer side in the middle. It must be a side topspin. Relax. Put some backspin on it. Relax. Try a side spin and then relax. Lift it up a bit. Is this a good loop? What kind of ball is this? It's a disguised serve, right? Watch carefully. Do you understand now? What if it's fast? Slow serve. Lift it up a bit.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.